Myself Dipali Baburde. Today we are going to see rounding of numbers. So there are many examples where we have to round up the numbers to some decimal places or to some significant digits. So let us see how to round up the numbers. First see the decimal, what are the decimal places. So decimal places are the positions of the digits to the right of a decimal point. So consider this number here 3.21548. So here the decimal places are from the decimal point, that is 21548. So there are 5 decimal places. Again in this there are 0.0028. So there are 4 decimal places. Now this number 6.91 into 10 raised to 3. So it gives us 6910. Now there is no decimal place. So the decimal place is 0 here. And in this example 1.0003 there are 4 decimal places. Therefore the decimal places are the positions of the digits to the right of a decimal point. This is the decimal point and these are the decimal places. Now this middle column shows us significant digits. Now what are the significant digits? Now in this example, here the total number of digits, since here this is the non-zero digit, so we will consider it in the significant digits. So there are total number of 6 digits, so there are 6 significant digits and 5 decimal places. Now in this number, as the number before the decimal point is 0 and after that decimal point there are also 2 zeros. So neglecting these 2 zeros we get 2 digits. So there are 2 significant digits and 4 decimal places. Here there are 4 significant digits and 0 decimal places. And in this example, here before the decimal point there is a non-zero digit, that is 1. So we have to include all the digits for the significant digits. So there are total 5 significant digits and 4 decimal places. Now the next point is accuracy of numbers. What do you mean by accuracy of numbers? Accuracy of numbers is the number of significant digits in a number. Accuracy of a number is the number of significant digits in a number. So consider this example 12.458. Now it is accurate to 5 significant digits. Since the digit contains 5 significant, since the number contains 5 significant digits, so this number is accurate to 5 significant digits. In this example, as there is 0 before and after the decimal point, so the non-zero digits are only 672, that means 3 significant digits. So this number is accurate to 3 significant digits. Precision of number. So it is the number of decimal positions in the given number. So consider this example 49.573. So after the decimal point there are 3 digits. So this number has precision of 0.001, that is 10 raised to minus 3. In this number there are 2 digits after the decimal point. So this number has precision of 0.01, that is 10 raised to minus 2. And this number 9.57003 has precision of, as the after the decimal point there are 5 digits. So 0.00001, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 5. So this number has a precision of 10 raised to minus 5. Now how to round up the numbers? So there are some rules to round up the numbers. First is discard all the digits after nth digit. That means suppose this number is 1.2347 and we have to round up this number to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places, that means 1, 2 and 3. So this is the third decimal place. We have to round up this number to 3 decimal places. So discard all the digits after nth digit. After nth digit means after third digit we have to discard all these digits. Second, if n plus 1th digit removed is first less than 5. If this n plus 1th digit is less than 5, then there is no change in the nth digit. That means if the 4th digit is less than 5, then there will be no change in the third digit. If it is greater than 5, then increase nth digit by unity. If this digit is greater than 5, then the previous digit will be increased by unity, that means 1. And if it exactly 5, then increase it by 1 if the nth digit is odd. If this digit, the n plus 1th digit is exactly 5, then the previous digit will be increased by 1 if it is odd number or if it is odd digit, and else there is no change if nth digit is even. So let us see some examples. Now round up the number 34.22198 to 4 decimal places. Now after the decimal point there are 4 digits 2 to 19. Now after the 4th decimal place the number is 8, which is greater than 5. So the previous digit, that means the 4th digit, will be increased by 1. So the number will be round off to 34.2220. Now in this example we have to round up this number to 3 decimal places, that means up to 4. Now after 5, after the third digit, the 5th digit is exactly 5. Now if it is exactly 5 and the previous digit is even, then there will be no change. So the number will be rounded off to 2.214. Now round up this number to 3 decimal places. So after third place the number is 0. So this number will be rounded off to 0.052. Now round up the numbers to 4 significant digits. 4 significant digits. Now before the decimal point there is 0. So we neglect this 0 and consider the 4 significant digits, that means up to 3. So after 3 the number is, the digit is 6 and it is greater than 5. So the previous digit, that means the 4th digit, will be increased by 1. So the number will be rounded off to 4594. Now this number up to 4 significant digits we have to round off it. So 7.005, and after 5 the digit is 3, which is less than 5. So there will be no change. So the number will be rounded off to 0.7005. Now round up this number 123 into 10 raised to minus 5. Now this number is 123 divided by 10 raised to 5 means and this is equal to 0.00123. So up to 4 significant digits Now there are 0 before the decimal point and after the decimal point also. So neglecting this 0, there are only 3 digits 123. So the number will be as it is 0.0000123. So this is all about the rounding of numbers to some decimal places and to some significant digits. Hope you will better understand the video and it will help you to solve the examples. Thank you.